do it. Right. Welcome back. So, we're hungry. As you can see, we've bought cheap food.
Very cheap.
Yeah.
We're on a budget.
Anyway, today we are going to be cooking, not on the back of the surf, but in the front. More importantly, the engine. Now, I know what you're thinking, this is a terrible idea, which it is.
Very much so.
Yeah. But if we die from food poisoning, we're sorry. We hope you enjoyed all of our content. So
that's it for Limited Productions.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. I'm cooking. You're standing here and looking pretty.
Okay. Yep. If you think so.
Yeah. Have a look at this beauty.
Fat chunk of meat.
Yuck.
So the seasoning.
Seasoning.
A pinch of paprika, I would say.
A pinch. Alright, so we want a pinch of paprika. So just a pinch. Just want to really
rub it in. Yep.
Rub it in. Oh my god. Hayden, stop.
It's a two-man job.
Have we got a screwdriver?
As you can see, perfectly marinated as I cover the back of the surf in stuff.
Herbs.
But now we have to do the other side.
Now we've got to do the other side. Very carefully, another pinch of paprika.
Jesus Christ.
I swear I'm actually going to kick you out of here. What do you want?
Probably do a couple of layers of foil.
That's what we'll do. So we'll start off with one. What we want to do is fold one side over like that.
And the other side.
No, fold the other side.
Jeez,
Like
Chef Ben's all over
that. Just want to make sure out of everything it's tight. Our steak,
it. Why did you twist it?
because it's just it's done. Very, very nicely. Now,
Lucky I was holding the Big Mac sauce. I'm just going to put that one there.
sausages. Okay, now, I know what you're thinking. Yes, it's not spread, but I'm assuming because of... Oh, actually, I can just do this. Never mind, folks. Natural chef here. I'm just tricking you all. Tricking y'all. Ha ha. Alright, so how do you reckon we should fold this? I reckon like this
like
first.
that, and then roll it
And
again.
then tuck it under
Yeah. You just ripped it.
nice and tight like that. And then you just want to
Fold the edges in.
fold
and
the edges.
This bit. Alright, so we've finished preparing the food. Now we just need to put it in certain spots within the car, and hopefully they'll cook and not give us food poisoning.
Now we're going to put the sausages and the steak in the engine bay of the Surf. I reckon back there.
Yeah. Hammer it in.
Hammer raw sausages in there, that'll go well. Ow! That is hot.
Keep in mind we've only driven not even 5 kilometers and it's already hot.
Ow! The things I do for this channel. Ow!
Nothing that you'll pierce it with. That'll do.
Okay, one down.
How many more to go?
Oh, too many.
And now you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon.
I reckon steak will fit in there.
Might have to loosen that up.
Yeah.
Could you go get a 30mm spanner?
Is that going to stay?
Honestly, I'm just looking forward to the aircraft.
Okay, so we have our port side steak mounted inside the turbo shield.
Oh, yeah, okay.
on the exhaust side of the turbo, and this bit is on the intake side of the turbo. What I'm hoping here is that the radiating heat from the turbo will act sort of like a grill on a barbecue, so hopefully that works. Yeah. Okay, so we put the food in the surf. Unfortunately, the Alpha was too well designed to fit food in it. So it's all in the surf. We're gonna go for a nice long warming drive to heat our food up and hopefully cook it all the way through, and then we're going to go and surprise Daniel with some well-deserved and very late lunch. Yeah, so he's going to be starving, so we better get to it. Let's do this. Alright, so as you can see, the steak is actually looking pretty good, so we're going to cut it open.
Oh, tender.
You're kidding me.
It's cool. Try it. So we pulled over to flip it, but it turns out it's cooked.
Try it. Oh my god. Try a bit. It's so good. No, I don't think Daniel will get this. Try a bit. It's actually good. I can't believe we've done this. I reckon we wrap that and just sit it somewhere in the engine to keep it warm. Anyway, we're gonna close the bonnet on this, clean our hands, and then we're gonna head to Daniel. So see you soon, buddy.
Wouldn't this one be like cooked?
Yeah, that's the steak.
That's the steak.
So I'll go
I
grab
can
it.
hear it
The
sizzling.
smaller ones are sausages. Well, you know, like the...
Have a look down there on.
Spatulas.
It's cool when you back off. It goes. Shoo! But not like Matt's. It's kind of like. That does smell really good.
You should see the video after it.
Yeah, I would have come out, but I just need to get that thing done. It actually looks really good.
Some herbs and spices.
No, like my hands are covered in shit.
Oh yeah.
Or did we leave the fat on?
Yeah. That's what the juices
Dude, give
are
some of my dab. He'll
Take it
enjoy
out.
that.
Take it up to him.
Cooked on the mighty surf. See, surfs can cook. This is why you buy a surf.
Yeah, I don't want to sell it now.
That honestly is amazing.
I'm wrapping this little piece up in Daniel.
What do you think, Dan?
Amazing. Like, not even kidding. I could eat that for
And
dinner every day.
we have a 12-pack of chipolatas to eat still.
Yeah,
Way.
they're good.
More cooked.
They're good. These ones are good.
Time for another taste test.
They're the seasoned ones.
Not
Wait, no, this was the alpha one. This was the alpha.
That's the one.
Okay, these ones aren't cooked. Scratch that. Don't put that in the video.
Maybe we need to sit on them.
They're not cooked.
Oh yeah, these are hot.
I mean, the steak was successful.
I just need more turbos. Twin turbo, you reckon? That's
Well, you
Connor's
could
car would go well because he got his
Oh, yeah.
whole.
manifold.
The only problem is that fall through.
Oh,
Whoa.
Oh wow.
that's the paprika.
What did you sit it on that got so hot?
All the engine block and the head.
Yeah, if it's touching the head, then yeah, I guess.
Well, feel it, hold it. Like, hold the alfoil.
Well, I'm gonna try and get some of that paprika off, otherwise I'm gonna cry.
I want the paprika.
There you go, have the paprika.
Oh, nah. They're the same as the last ones that Ben just tried. Nah. They're a bit soft.
So we successfully managed to cook one nice steak and 4 sausages for Daniel, who's now not as hungry. And it actually went much better than we all expected. We didn't think any of the sausages would cook, and we were a bit dubious on if the steak would cook. Because
Yeah.
Jeez, you use such big words.
yeah, it was,
Damn.
Daniel's a simple man.
Ah.
No, but anyway, we really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I think we're gonna call this our myth busting series because I reckon there's a lot more things we can cook.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I reckon there's a lot more things.
Not
we
only
can,
cook relating as well. We'll do
Yeah.
other myth bust stuff.
we can cook, weld, damage.
Undamage.
What? That's no fun.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next episode.
See you guys.
Catch ya.